Welcome to yet another unboxing video here on my channel. Today, I'm going to unbox two watches at one go, alright? I bought two watches, but just a big disclaimer before I cut open the box here. These two watches are very affordable. So I sort of went crazy, and by buying two watches, I save on the shipping. If I bought one watch, there will be no free shipping, so I decided to buy two, alright? So two different dial colors. Let me just cut open the cardboard box here. So this package was sent from Vin Store, a very popular vendor on Lazada. They've got really good prices and I've been a regular customer. Alright, as you can see from this type of box, we're getting really low-end stuff here, affordable low-end stuff. Let's take a look at the first one. Ta-da! So this is the old school and super affordable AQ-24. And this is a really old model, I think first launched in 1989. Wow. Feels really lightweight. I think on spec sheet, this is about 20 grams and it certainly feels like it. Let me just take a look at the hang tag. MQ-24 1E. Alright, so this is the good old black version with gold markers. Wow. So this is a really affordable watch, and I'll explain to you why I sort of went crazy and bought two of these at one go, because I must say that this purchase is purpose-driven. Alright, more on that later. Let me just go on to the next watch. It is the same watch. Ta-da! The same MQ-24, but this is a different dial color. So this is the gold dial version. MQ-24, super affordable watches. MQ-24-9E. So I went from 0 MQ-24 to 2 MQ-24s within 2 days. Click on the purchase button, pay, and 2 days later I am the proud owner of 2 MQ-24s. Black dial, gold dial. Haha. So why the sudden urge to buy the MQ-24? So this is a purpose-driven purchase, like I explained earlier. I needed a small watch, a cheap watch, a lightweight watch, alright, for wearing when I'm out there. Alright, I'll be in a situation where I'm not wearing sportswear. I get very sweaty in our hot, sunny climate. Alright, and more importantly, I'll be moving some equipment here and there, so I'm not gonna wear my stainless steel or titanium watches for such purpose. If I'm not wearing sportswear, my G-Shocks will also look a bit out of place, so I decided to give the MQ-24 a try. I've always preferred analog watches for telling time, so obviously the MQ-24 is the top candidate. And now with the packaging not entirely out of the way, let's take a closer look at the MQ-24s. MQ-24 multiplied by 2, that makes MQ-48. Alright, let me just remove the protective film here. This is the gold dial version. You know what, it actually looks very good in real. You know, from the photos on internet, you know, those stock photos, it doesn't look so good, but I think in real it looks much better. Liking this gold dial here. It's got that champagne gold kind of look. Looks great. Okay, I'm liking this one. And these are really small watches. 35 mmK size. Alright, super small and super lightweight. 21 grams, I think. And you're not going to feel it when you're wearing it. Okay, of course, these are not high-end stuff. This is plastic everywhere, plastic everything, and I'm not too sure if this case back here is Looks really thin and can even dent it with your fingernail and all that. But the main purpose of this watch is to have a cheap and affordable beater kind of thing where you can wear the hell out of it and not be afraid of getting any scratches and all that. So this is the black dial version. I would think that this is the most popular one. Let me remove the protective film here as well. Alright, plastic everywhere. The MQ-24. Even the glass here is resin. They call it resin glass. So it's a bit of a misnomer here. So resin is plastic, then the next word is glass. I don't know which is which. Looks like a fun little watch. I bought two for $29, I think. Free shipping. It's cheaper than a swatch. A swatch costs about $90 or $100, the 35mm version. So I think these two are much better buys. Alright, fantastic. I'm liking both dial colors. It's like a good swap around when I'm using them on days where I know, I'm going to get sweaty and all that. Stay tuned for the full review of these watches, the MQ-24. Alright, this is Andy in Singapore. I'll see you soon. Bye.